Carter's not impressed by he's not impressed by my epic wheel bangers. Alrighty then. So all that wasted talk about the Giants. Fuck my life. Fuck my life. Fuck my life. Fuck. Upset. So anyway, let's get back into it. New New York Giants season. Hey, we got ourselves some Galladay. We got ourselves some Kadarius Toney. We got ourselves freaking Adoree Jackson, who is supposed to make our secondary so much better. Adoree Jackson looked like burnt toast on freaking game one. Our offense is the same as last year, even with these new weapons. Granted, Barkley is back. His first game back after a catastrophic knee injury. But man, Jason Garret, you are on the hot seat. I can't possibly do this as good as I did it the first time. But man, essentially our team scored in today's NFL essentially 7 flipping points. We ran one in garbage time. We ran one in garbage time as time expired. You know, to make it a respectable 13 points. Woo! 13 points! Whoop-de-doo! Whoop-de flippin' do! Is it too early to panic? Yeah, I guess so. We could look different in week 2. Do we blame Joe Judge for this? Interesting question. Because Joe Judge, except for keeping the special teams coordinator, who was a good coordinator, and I think he agreed to keep him. So, other than keeping the special teams coordinator, the only guy who is not a Joe Judge hire is freaking Jason Garret. Our offense, you say what you want about Pat Shurmur, but our offense under Pat Shurmur was way more explosive. Daniel Jones looked way better, though he still had that fumbling problem. And now with Jason Garret in year 1 of that offense, granted largely without Saquon Barkley, but you can make the same argument that the stats are just better with freaking Pat Shurmur other than Jason Garret. So, with largely the same players from the Shurmur era, Joe Judge comes in with Jason Garret as the OC, and the offense ranks near the bottom, if not the absolute bottom of the league. We gotta do better. Jason Garret, you're officially on the hot seat, and I'll be shocked if you make it to midway through the season. Show some improvement. Me, I got a fucking short amount of fucking patience for him, because I saw it last year. I would give him to game 5, and I wouldn't be too harsh. I'd be like, hey, you got until like game 5. I need to see the offense not necessarily being world beaters, but make sure it's going in the right direction. Otherwise, you got to be gone by mid-season. My opinion. I'm sure many Giants fans are going to agree with that opinion, and I think they should. I think it's the right opinion. I'm biased. I love me some me. Yeah. But anyway, I wasted my epic rant when my mic wasn't working. And that's my makeup rant. I'm still going to use some of that other footage and make kind of a wheelie montage, but man, I wasted a good rant and I cannot reproduce it. I'm going to save a better rant for week 2. I'm going to save a better rant for week 2's game. And I'm going to make sure my mic is plugged in. And what I say is, hey, if you don't normally watch moto vlogs, thanks for tuning in. And why don't you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share. Buy a motorcycle, come ride with me, come ride with me. Whoop, whoop, wiener dog. Wiener dog. Kinda thwarted my wheelie. Yeah! Possible. Skydio 2 is in the air. Front right. Yeah, we come down here and re-practice second gear wheelies on the worst road possible. First wheelie, no bueno. Second wheelie, better. And with the beacon, we switch it on the fly to the opposite side. Skydio 2, guys. Skydio 2. I like to keep it away from the tree, although this does have pretty advanced collision detection and collision avoidance. I always think it's going to fly into me when it's switching sides. Bad pop. Woo! Reaching for that back brake, guys. Reaching for that back brake, guys. Oh boy. It's kind of a longish second gear wheelie. I started chasing it out with a little bit of speed. So tell me, guys, tell me, guys, tell me, what are you expecting for week 2? Going up against a tough defense. No, Ryan Fitzpatrick, I think he's on the IR with a hip injury. Tell me what you guys are expecting for week 2 as a Giants fan. I'm expecting some improvement, but man, I can't say I got us winning. Just trying to be realistic after the debacle that was week number 1. Man. My wheelies are rusty. Ah, man. There you are, Skydio. Skydio. I got on the back brake on that one. I was kind of pressing it down as I was increasing the throttle. Back brake, back brake. Back brake. Hey buddy. So yeah, we are not expecting amazing things for game 2. me know what you guys think. Let's see how our offensive line does. Let's see. Let's see how it does, guys. Oh shit. Not bad. Not bad. That was first gear. Runner's not impressed by he's not impressed by my epic wheel bangers. Okay. Okay, guys. All right. Let us quit. Let us quit while we're ahead. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for coming out on the ride today. Ah, man, try to get an epic rants about my New York football Giants. Oh, man. We had new hope. New season, new hope. We put some guys around Daniel Jones, but my God, we still got Jason. Jason Garret is our offensive coordinator. Jason Garret can suck my freaking balls. Ah! God. Too early to blame it on Joe Judge. Like I said, Jason Garret is the one guy on the staff that Joe Judge didn't hire. Let's get rid of him early. Get someone else in there so we can evaluate Daniel Jones. I don't know if we could evaluate Daniel Jones in this awful Jason Garret offense. Offensive line needs to keep improving. Come ride with me, guys. New York Giants fan, come roast me in the comments. The Giants deserve it. There's still a little hope. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Underdog Moto Mania, Underdog New York Giants Mania. Come ride with you, boy. Woo! I love you guys. Peace out. Can't get away from the skydio. Alright, guys. See ya. Boy, I'm coming at ya. Landing, 3, 2, 1. Never let the skydio touch the ground. Yeah, boys. We out.